A coalition of civil society organizations and human rights defenders are calling for Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness to clarify publicly whether the comments made by National Security Minister Dr. Chang on the deployment of body-worn cameras across the Jamaica Constabulary Force represent the official position of his administration. In a press release on Friday, the coalition expressed concern about pronouncements Dr. Chang made in his sectoral presentation on Tuesday.
It's important that references is made to the Prime Minister's recent comment in January of this year that body cameras are not optional and that the government will provide the necessary budgetary support. And we have been seeing that with the commitment to procure 3,000 body-worn cameras across 3 fiscal years. The challenge that we're having is the commitment that a portion of these body cameras will be deployed to planned operations.
Dr. Chang remarked that only the police commissioner can decide who in the force wears body-worn cameras and that no other person or group will dictate their preference in a way a Don would.
We are not trying to dictate any operations of the JCF. That is not our focus, nor do we have the authority to do so. But there must be a policy position from the government, from the executive, that if it is that you have what is now half of your fatalities coming from planned operations, we have to ensure that there is some accountability. We have heard the pushback from Dr. Chang recently that the body cameras have flashing red lights and so on, and that must be roundly and soundly rejected, because I have personally seen body cameras and they can go in stealth mode.